In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a smooth slow motion video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So select your video here and then either right click on this video or press Ctrl Command R on your keyboard to open the clip speed duration window. And here in speed, we're going to give an in slower speed, for example, 45%. And then in the time interpolation, choose optical flow and press OK. Now you can see our clip has been slowed down, but it's rather choppy now because this preview asks a lot of your computer. What we can do to make it easier is go to Sequence and then choose Render Selection. Make sure you have your video selected. Render Selection, and then this can take a while. And when Premiere is finished, as you can see now, our preview is much more fluent, much less choppy, and has been slowed down. But because we're working with a 30 frames per second video and not a 60 frames, which is normally needed for slow motion, if you slow this video down too much, let's say for example 20% with optical flow here, press OK. Now you will see I will first render my selection. As you can see now, it has been slowed down, but we get a lot of ghosting here. So Premiere can only do so much when you have a 30 frames per second video instead of a 60 frames per second. So do be mindful of that. You can slow it down, but don't go too slow because then it won't be looking nice, and it will be smooth, but you will have ghosting, as you can see in this last video. The first one though is a smooth slow motion without ghosting. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.